Right. Yesterday I found a sparrow in my neighbor garden. So he cannot fly. I was actually now had to chase it again. So it looks like a baby. You can see the wings are fine. You stay. He's just a little baby. As I can see, he don't have damages. His tail is also fine. So the only thing what I can do, I can try to keep him in the cage, obviously away from my other birds. He's like on quarantine, and I have to feed him on my own until he will start eating slowly. Let's see. Hey! Somebody's passing around with the dogs probably. Yeah. Let's open your mouth. Come on, you can do that. Until he will learn what he has to eat it. I have some special cream for my parrots. Okay, I know what this kind of birds, they're eating the insects. I was searching for some insects, but I couldn't find it. Come on, little one. It's nice. Try it. I have some spiders actually on the bushes. Can I try to give him a spider? Maybe he will eat. Ew, he wants to go again away. Come on. I have him water in the cage. Ew. He's trying to go. Oh, come on, little one. You're opening your mouth when... That's the go. Ew. I made it too soft. And actually, I'm full of cream now. But I have to feed this little one. At least just a bit. Ow! He flied away. I got him. He's so fast. You can't believe it. But he's not flying. He's only walking on the ground. So let's try to give him again some more. He has seeds in his cage, but I don't see him like he was eating it. Come on. Open your mouth. Mouth. Come on, you can do it. Come on, little one. Say hello to people, but don't fly again away. I will try keep feeding him. So wish me good luck. See you guys.